Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my daily vlog. Here I am going to show you guys how to cook salmon fish with curry powder. But first of all, we need to scale off the fish. Cleaning the fish. So I'm going to clean. I'm cleaning. It's almost done, but I am rechecking if there is any of scale left or not. So if you touch, you can feel it if there is any left scale of fish. Then I'm cleaning with the water. Finally, when I'm done with the water, I will make a paste for the fish, salmon. Basically I used curry, so I will add curry powder, then garlic. I took some of garlic cloves and piece of the ginger. If you like, you can add green chili or something else spicy, or black pepper if you want, but I'm not going to add those because I'm gonna use the red chili. So what you should do, mix them with the grinder, ginger and garlic. I took also a piece of lemon. My fish fillet is 1 kilo 305 grams, so it's huge. So I took a bowl. I need to mix up all this curry and paste which I make. I show you on the video. Garlic and ginger. First of all, I take 1 teaspoon of salt. You can see what I add here. I will add a bit oil as well. Then piece of lemon I'm gonna squash with this paste. Then I will mix them together. Let me show you guys. So I'm mixing them together. Mix them. Make a paste. Same, it's tomato sauce, but it's a paste from curry powder and which you saw in the video. But first of all, I will, before add this paste, don't forget to slice fishes, because if you're not, this curry and paste will not go inside the fish. So I'm gonna knead them all over the fish fillet. You can do it with the spoon or you can do it with the brush if you like, but I like to do it with the hand, gently. So if you're doing this way, every piece of slice paste will go in. Also I will add, for additional taste and smell, butter. So I'm gonna add a bit of butter. You can add as much as you like, depend on you. So after that I'm gonna put in the refrigerator for 1 hour, 2 hours. You can keep them in the refrigerator so curry and paste will be melt on fish. My fish is ready, so I'm gonna put an oven for this side, one side 25 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius or 205 it's one sided done, so I rotate other side for 15 minutes. So it's how it look like. When it's done, I will show you guys how delicious. Look at these fishes. I mean the fish, how delicious. Really, to be honest, it's yummy, delicious how it's look. Thank you for watching.